they like to shoot 3-pointers. And then lastly, Tagbilaran, kung ang Hagna 3 points ang Tagbilaran, ang gusto nila fast break, dagan-dagan. So, sa ang score na to 23-23, wala pa kaayoy running game ang Tagbilaran, so mura pag nadepensaan sa Hagna. So let's see unsang adjustments ilang buhaton karon.
Ayan, thank you Brother Mon, no? Ayos kayong pag-analyze, may gala. Number 10, Luciliano, not good. Rebound from Hagna. Pass, oh, intercepted by Mr. Murata. Murata dribbling the ball, Mr. Murata. Wow! Nice block.
Foul.
And a foul. A foul was called.
Foul on jersey number 16, Galolo of Hagna.
It's an action shooting foul.
Second personal foul, Galolo.
So that's the first team foul for the second quarter for Team Hagna. And on the line, trying to convert 2 free throws is Luciliano.
First throw, Luciliano. Connect. Second throw, Mr. Luciliano of Tagbilaran.
So as what you saw, referee, the official, is trying to explain what was the foul called.
Not good. Rebound from Hagna. Oh no! Turnover from Hagna.
Costly turnover for Team Hagna. Now,
14 seconds shot clock.
ball possession goes to Tagbilaran. Morata for the inbound.
Morata inbound from Tagbilaran to number 4. To Mr. Abing. Abing dribbling the ball, Mr. Abing. Abing, nice pass sa gilid. Not good from Tagbilaran. Rebound number 9. Not good again. Agawan ng rebound. Abing, not good. Anong nangyari Tagbilaran? Nice pass. Number 20, nag-isa. Connect from Tagbilaran.
Change favor. The lead goes now to Team Hagna. 25-24 in the second quarter.
Wow, nice defense. 2 points from Mr. Morata. Number 19. Hug down the run. There you go. 2 points of number 5.
Back-to-back fast break points from Team Hagna.
8 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. 26-27.
15 seconds
Abing.
shot clock.
Abing, nice move. Abing, attempt, not good.
10 seconds.
Rebound from Hagna. Oh,
Out of bounds.
out of bounds.
Hagna
Ball
score.
position of Hagna. Atong score 26-27 in favor of Hagna na. Brother Louie.
Yes, Kuya A. Dali kayo na-change ang lead. Ganina, hinglabaw pa at most 5
Hamora
points na
on the
Tagbilaran.
drive. Number 9, sa gilid for 3. Wow! 3 points from Tagbilaran.
Costan.
Hamora on the drive. Wow! Binawi agad.
So suddenly, paspas ang duwa na to Kuya A.
Oh,
Both teams are trading baskets. And now a foul was called against Hamora of Team Hagna.
Foul on jersey number
That's the second team
14.
foul for Team Hagna.
Hamora.
Interesting to note no, ang depensa ni
First person
Hamora
foul,
kumulopo,
Hamora.
ang depensa ni Hamora kumulopo si Luciliano. Imbes nga atubangon niya, arion niya sa tubangan sa kuan ang trying steal, imbes nga magpabangka siya kay noon si Hamora nga murag kung
Wow.
weight advantage dako gid si Luciliano kung banggaon
jersey
siya
number
ni
14,
Luciliano
Hamora.
mapalit yun si Hamora
Second
pero
personal
ang
foul.
ang strategy ni Hamora karon
Team foul.
kay he tries to get
Substitution.
inside and get the position to steal the ball.
tinod. So muna may gala, usa sa ilang taktik karon is gamito ng height ni Hamora, no? Kay kaya man siya mulusot. So kita pangitaon lang nato Brother Louie kung unsay diskarte sa matag team. Kaysa
So,
karon labaw og half shot ang Hagna.
Just recently, Kuya A, no? Hamora was subbed out for committing his second personal foul. And now on the court, there's a slight scuffle between Luciliano and number 10 of Hagna.
Abing holding the ball, Mr. Abing. Abing
10
drive.
seconds shot
Nice pass. Agaman ang bola. Nakuha ni Mr. Luciliano. Luciliano. Foul.
Foul
Post foul.
on jersey number
Medyo physical na
16 Galolo.
ang duwa, Kuya A.
Oh, kita
personal
gina to nga
foul, Galolo.
kinahanglan sila mag-physical
Warning
ganani
for
kay
penalty.
championship na ni. Dapat
Substitution.
wala na yung magyaya matod pa nila.
Umpire for
And a
Galolo.
substitution on the floor. Umpire of Team Hagna comes in for Galolo. Now, ball possession stays with Tagbilaran. Morata for the inbound.
7 minutes and 49 seconds remaining. 28-29. Nice pass. Agawan ng bola. Hoy! Murata! There you go!
Race
2 points from Mr. Murata.
Almost a loose ball situation. Pero nabawi pa yun ni Morata.
Agawan ng bola. Nako ni Mr. number 4 to Mr. Luciliano. What was that? Traveling violation.
Traveling
Committed by
violation.
Mr. Luciliano.
What a costly turnover. Pabor kayo ang ball possession sa Tagbilaran.
Ayan, nakita na to si Bang Banban. Nalingaw din sila sa duwa. Si Congresswoman Banban Nomintano.
Si Congressman Banban, Governor Aris, si Sir Chief Babayap, and Mayor Jane Yap.
Warning for technical
Grabe ang
number 10
ilahang
Juliano
support sa game.
for resentment
Pati
of a
sila
goal.
naki-intensify sa crowd diri sa Bohol Wisdom Gym.
Costal.
Katong nga previous possession no, sayang katong nga fast break kay wala nakita ni Luciliano si Abing. Kung kita mo ni Abing ganina mo ni anat sa Abing mo ni katawan lang siya.
Tinood kay si Abing
Oo,
naras kilid.
Nasa,
Wa
nasa,
makiti.
nasa ubos and then libre na on taton niya.
Sayang.
Makita si Luciliano
Na
ni.
turnover na yun. 7 minutes and 37 seconds. Hagna on the run. What was that? Stepping on the line.
Late violation. Tagbilaran's ball.
Stepping on the line. Nice defense from Mr. Morata, number 19.
So that was a turnover for Team Hagna. So the odds are not in favor of Team Hagna right now. They are on their fourth team foul. They just committed a turnover and hinglabaw ang Tagbilaran of 1 point.
Remaining time for the second quarter.
Ako nakita no,
Official score, Tagbilaran 30.
tanan sila ilang gihimo ilang diskarte nga ang ilang mga star player ilang yung mapalugar para makakuha og points. So kita na ko around 30-29 half shot ra ang labaw sa Tagbilaran. So possible ang end aning duaa, possible crucial ni siya nga duwa, Brother Louie.
Yes, Kuya A. Anybody's ball game gani siya. Considering both teams na mga dapat i-adjust sila mga plays. So recently, pag first quarter, ang team Tagbilaran may naay penalty situation na sila nga problema ng part. Karon ang Hagna almost in the penalty situation na in the second quarter. So the tables are turned for the second quarter of the game.
Back to the ball game.
Tinood. Back to the ball game. 7 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. 30-29. Second quarter of this game. Tagbilaran versus Hagna Junior Division. Game 1, mga higala. Number 16 to Mr. Murata, number 19. To Luciliano. Nice pass. Wow! Ganda no?
What a connection! What a connection by Morata and Luciliano.
Yes. Nako na Mr. number 5. Nice pass. Number 2. Attempt. Not good. Rebound from Tagbilaran. Pass to Mr. Abing, number 3. Tagbilaran on the run. Oh! Sayang. Lugar na to iliyap.
Gipasa pag yun.
Gipasa ba yun? Muna giingon nga. Imo na onda. Pero wag yun kitugot. Sakit sa lugan.
Sobraan ra ka, selfless. Selfless na kayo Kuya A.
Tinod.
13 seconds. Shot
But
clock.
still, ang ball possession stays with Tagbilaran. Morata with the inbound.
Wow, nice defense from Hagna. Nice defense again from Tagbilaran. Agawan ang bola. Nako na Mr. number 3, Abing. Abing nakawala sa depensa. Layup. Wow, ganda. What was that? Oh,
Offensive foul.
offensive foul, Mr. Abing.
Offensive foul on jersey number 3, James Abing.
So on the action sa referee no, ang wakli. Ang pinawakli nga siyang left hand ni Abing while trying to convert a layup. Mo ito yung natawagan og offensive foul. So that is the
Okay.
first team foul of Tagbilaran for the second
Murag
quarter.
na-extend yung siko kamay. Nakita
Yes,
sa referee.
yes Kuya A.
Salarda, number 1. Salarda, attack. Wala. Rebound from Hagna. Not good. Agawan ng rebound. Hagna pa rin ang bola. Nice. Salarda. Wow! Sayang. Luciliano. Nice defense from Hagna. Nako na Mr. Murata. Number 19. Murata! Not good. Follow shot. There you go. 2 points from Luciliano. Number 10. Wow, nice defense from Tagbilaran. Nako na Mr. Abing, number 3. Abing dribbling. Pass to Mr. number 16. 4-2. In and out. Rebound from Tagbilaran. Murata! There you go. 2 points from Mr. Murata.
And napatawag ng timeout ang Team Hagna for that incredible run by Team Tagbilaran. We are now 34-29. A 5 points lead for Team Tagbilaran, Kuya A.
Yes, and nakita na to nga gihimo kinilang best. No, si Murata nagnilihok na gid siya para makuha ang basket, para makita na to, para nakita gyud na to ang resulta. 36-29 na ang score, Brother Louie.
Yes, Kuya A. May I correct myself? So instead of 34-29, 36-29 na day for that last basket sa Tagbilaran. Motoy nakapa 7-point lead sa Team Tagbilaran.
Tinod, Brother Moon, unsay mo masulti karon sa performance ni Murata, defense plus offense. Kita na to ang score, nilabaw na sila.
Kita na to ang score, no, ganina first quarter kay baut-baut ra gyud, puli-puli kasi mulabaw magtay or mulabaw ginagmay ra, pero karon Tagbilaran is murag ni slowly pulling away na. So 7-point lead. It was all because of Horace Murata, star player of Tagbilaran. He leads by example. Fast break, easy touch, easy finish for him.
Tinod. So ato lang tanawon, Brother Louie, kung unsay resulta ning duaa kay nilabaw na ang Tagbilaran series mga igala. Unsa kay discarding nga himuon sa Hagna kay ni time out man sila.
Yes, Kuya A. And as you can see on the floor, Team Hagna is playing small ball.
Nice pass.
Ball but fast.
Oh! Di pumasok. Rebound from Tagbilaran. Murata on the drive. Nice pick. Agawan ng bola. Jump ball. Ball position of Hagna.
So we're 5 minutes and 54 seconds in the second quarter. Score 36-29.
So kadugan no, sayang kayo, wide open layup pero wa murag na pressure siya, murag so, kumbaga nang gigil kung Tagalog pa kay nasobraan gyud ang layup.
Tinod. Number 17. Dribbling the ball, Mr. number 17. 17, nice pass sa gilid. Libre sa dos. Not good. Rebound from Tagbilaran. Number 9 to Mr. Murata. Nag-iisa. There you go.
Murata.
Back-to-back points from Mr. Murata. Number 17 of Hagna. Oh!
Out of bounds, Hagna's ball.
Out of bounds. Ball position of Hagna.
So pas-pas kay ang duwa, Kuya A. As what you saw, fast break points again was converted by Murata of Team Tagbilaran.
Tinod.
Substitution. Hamora Fortan.
So interesting stat of first interesting stat for today, no? Out of 38 points sa Tagbilaran, according to our statistician, 20 points ka Murata. So more than half of Tagbilaran's points, 20
Wow.
points.
Grabe performance Mr. Murata. 2 points from Hagna.
Umpire.
5 minutes and 18 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Murata dribbling. Murata guarded by Sue. Murata pass to Luciliano. Jump shot. There you go.
Nico Luciliano.
2 points from Mr. Luciliano. Hagna on the run. Salarda, number 1. Nice pass sa gilid. Number 10. Oh!
A foul was called against Luciliano of Team Tagbilaran.
Foul from Mr. Luciliano.
Luciliano.
Nakita na to nga ang frustration sa naong ni Luciliano, no? Kay maton pa niya. Mura na siya gadupa pero foul to. Maton sa tong referee.
Wa siya ga dahom Kuya A nga matawagan to nga foul.
Wala giingon Brother Louie, sakit yun ang magdahom ka.
So as what have been said by Sir Mon ganina, almost half sa points sa Team Tagbilaran came from Murata. And for me, Kuya A, hindi na siya mo sustain long term kung si Murata na lang tanan, di ba? So all members or all players of Team Tagbilaran must step up para ma-maintain yun nga lead kung ganaan sila mo daog.
Kinahanglan yun ang tabang sa team ni Murata po. Kaya di kaya kung siya lang.
Yes.
Nako ni Mr. number 16. 16 to number 9. Number 9, layup. There you go! Pumasok.
Bautista!
Number 9, Mr. Bautista. Dribbling the ball from Hagna. Hagna on the run. Nice pass to number 2. Number 2, nakawala sa depensa. Oh! Turnover
Substitution.
from Hagna.
Grabe ang defense sa Tagbilaran. Grabe sila maka-pressure,
Number 39, Nunez
resulting to
for
a turnover for
Ranieses.
Team Hagna. And now we have a substitution on the floor. Nunez of Team Hagna comes in with Amper.
Lumada for Amper.
I mean, it's Lumada.
Substitution.
It's Lumada.
Pundok for Abing.
4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. 42-32 in favor of Tagbilaran City. 10-point lead Tagbilaran. Unsa kay diskarte sa Hagna ni para makuha nila ni Brother Louie? Imong paminaw, unsa may paminaw nimo? Makuha nila ang mapsa nila or makalabaw sila?
Taas pa kayo ng oras kuya A. So first key nila ni is
Second shot clock.
prevent the fast breaks. And to prevent the fast breaks,
10
prevent
seconds to
turnovers. So maura yun na kuya A.
Foul. Foul on jersey number
Foul from
17,
Hagna, number 17. Foul.
That's the
Penalty.
5th team foul of Team Hagna.
Second
So
personal
penalty na
foul
sila.
on Trina.
So the tables are turned
Hagna
kuya A.
on penalty.
Ganina ang Tagbilaran may penalty situation early in the first quarter. Now, Team Hagna ang nag-penalty situation early in the second quarter with just 4 minutes and 20 seconds
Mo na
remaining.
delikado. Kay 4 minutes ba ang nabilin nga oras? Pwede na i-take advantage sa Tagbilaran City, Brother Louie.
Yes, Kuya A. And mo yun yung best strategy for Team Tagbilaran for the remaining time of the second quarter. Ngayon,
Yes.
take advantage kining penalty situation sa Team Hagna.
First throw, Mr. Murata connect. Second throw. A total of 2 points, Mr. Murata. 44-32 atong score may gala in favor of Tagbilaran City. Number 17, there's a foul
Foul.
from Tagbilaran.
Foul on jersey number 1.
And of course, may gala, this game is brought to you by the Provincial Government of Bohol. No? Salamat sa itong mga commissioners. Labi na ni Gov, Aris Umentado, Congressman Van Umentado, Sir Chief Babayap, Mayor Jane Yap, Vice Governor Victor Balite, mga board member. Kinsa badaghan kayo.
And also, let's not forget to
Nabot siya na Mayor Joseph Ranyola.
yes, and we should not forget to thank the Provincial Youth Development Office.
Yes, the PYDO.
Yes, spearheading this event, the Governor's Cup.
Number 16, holding the ball, number 16, guarded by number 17. 16, nice pass sa gilid. Tagbilaran for 3, not good. Wow, high up rebound from Mr. Murata. Murata block from Hagna. Hagna on the run, number 1, Salarda. Connect from Mr. Salarda. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining.
That was an icebreaker for Team Hagna. After a long run from Team Tagbilaran, kinanglanon yung guys sa Hagna.
For 3, Tagbilaran, not good. Rebound from Hagna. Number 17 to number 39. 39 on the drive. Nice move, number 39. Pinaside step.
Bilang Mano
Mr.
Ginobili.
Nunez.
So we have a mini run from Team Hagna. Cutting the double-digit lead of Tagbilaran to 8.
15 seconds shot.
Number 16. Murata jump shot. Connect.
Bautista.
Mr. Bautista, I mean. Number 17. 17. Nice pass to Nunez. Nunez. What was that? Traveling violation committed by Mr. Nunez.
Sayang kayo A. Na-shot na nabawta. Pero na-traveling violation.
O na, ingon nga, usay, mag-effort ka, masayang ra, sakit sa dugan. Ayan.
Again, let's all give our thanks to the Provincial Government of Bohol for this event.
Number 16 to number 19. Murata for 3. Not good. Rebound from Tagbilaran. Number 1. Number 1 on the drive. Number 1. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul.
Number 1.
By jersey number 1, Pundok. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
2 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. 46-36. Back to 10-point lead. Tagbilaran. Number 14,
Now,
Hamura.
is back on the floor.
Oh, there's a foul.
Foul on jersey number 22.
Pushing foul, jersey number 22. Kuyo, kaya itong referee, Brother Louie.
Personal foul.
Kay
Pumatong.
kalang
Tagbilaran.
tanaw nila nga
Reduction
physical na lang ang duwa.
Substitution.
Tatawagan ka talaga.
Pumatong.
By the way, Kuya A, ingabot dahil sa atong venue, si board member Benji Arcamo,
Oh,
sitting beside Vice Mayor Adam Hala.
ayan. First from Hamura. Connect. Nothing but net, Mr. Hamura.
So, Amora connecting the first free throw. Now trying to connect the second.
Second throw, Mr. Hamura from Hagna, number 14. Yes, a total of 2 points, Mr. Hamura. 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. 46-38 in favor of Tagbilaran.
Both teams are in the penalty na, Kuya A. Both teams are in the penalty. And we're still 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Murata. Jump shot, Mr. Murata. Not good. Rebound from Hagna. Number 1, nakawala sa depensa. Number 1 to Mr. Hamura. Hamura, nice side step. Ganda no!
George Hamora.
What a
Grabe.
move by Hamora!
Mr. Hamura.
Kuwang na lang maingon
Hamura
siya.
doing his best.
Kuwang na lang maingon siya. Sumabay ka pa.
For 3. Not good. Rebound from Hagna. Nice pass to Mr. Hamura. Number 14. Not good. Rebound, Mr. Abing. Number 3. Abing. Oh my God. Nag-iisa.
Pasaka.
2 points from Tagbilaran.
We have a player down on the
Mr.
floor.
Hamura is down. May nagdili ba injury? Si
Yes,
Makuna.
Kuya A. We are praying for the best yun nga wala untay may tabo nga mga injuries all throughout the game, all throughout the league. Pero di gyud na malikayan, Kuya A, tungod sa ka-physical sa duwa and sa will sa mga players nga mo score og mudaog yun.
Yes, kay they're doing their best kay championship na ni.
1 minute and
Muna
37
yung the
seconds
best of the
remaining
best
time
na
for
ni.
the second quarter.
Yes,
Kinsa
Kuya
nga
A.
team ang LGO nga team ang mudaog.
And Amora is now limping on the floor. But we're hoping okay ra yun. So, trying to move pa si Hamora.
Okay, back to the ball game. 1 minute and 37 seconds remaining. 48-40 in favor of Tagbilaran. Yan, shout out sa atong almost 10,000 live viewers. Mga igala.
Shout out data ni Attorney Ikim Supremo nga run out nato karon live together with our pilato KA 8,000
Almost 10,000 live viewers.
10,000 live viewers. Apil ana si Attorney Ikim Supremo. Matod pa niya ang kinamayuhang Supremo kuno. Nilang mga igsoona.
Ayan, Hagna on the run. Hagna, nice defense from Tagbilaran. Number 1 to Mr. Murata again. Murata on the run. Oh,
Offensive foul.
offensive foul, Mr. Murata.
Costly
Committed by
turnover
jersey number 19,
for Tagbilaran.
Jorge Murata.
Sayang kayo. Murata is doing his best, pero offensive foul according to referee, mga igala. 1 minute and 26 seconds remaining. 48-40 in favor of Tagbilaran. Hagna on the run. Nice defense from Tagbilaran.
A steal for
Number
Tagbilaran.
16. Nice. Oh! Turnover. Nunez, number 39. Amora, nice pick. Oy!
Foul.
Foul. Sayang. Wa mo gawas.
Jersey number 1 of
Ay, wa mo
Pondok.
gawas. Wa mo shot.
Warning for disqualification. Pondok number 1.
Ayan, shout out na lang ta. Shout out na may gala sa atong almost 10,000 live viewers sa ato ang finals karon, no? Governor's Cup finals between
Substitution.
Tagbilaran Hagna Junior
Celestio
Division.
for Bundok.
So we have two free throws for Hambora of Team Hagna
Viewers,
with 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining in the second quarter, with 48 and 40 of score in favor of Tagbilaran, and Hambora converts the first free throw, trimming the lead to 7 points.
second throw of Mr. Hamora, number 14. Not good. Rebound from Tagbilaran. Number 16 dribbling the ball. Number 16. 16. Oh! Ball position of Tagbilaran City.
Substitution. Ayeng for De Lejero.
Shout out day sa isa sa mga kinakusgang fire officer sa Panglao, si Sir Bernard Suasilio. Shout out kanimo, Sir Bernard.
Nice defense from Hagna. 13. Not good. Abing. Abing. Jump shot. Not good. Rebound from Mr. Hamora. Long pass to number 17. Hagna. Nice pass. Number 8. Connect. Number 8 from Hagna. 45 seconds remaining.
And the lead now of Tagbilaran is trimmed.
Wow! 3 points from Mr. Morata.
Timely basket by Morata.
Number 17. 17 to number 1. Salarda. Nice pass to Hamora. Galing! Nice connection.
20
What a
seconds.
pass, what a pass.
Morata to number 16. Mr.
15
Pasagad.
seconds.
Pasagad. Sa gilid. Nice pass.
10 seconds.
Number 14 sa ilalim. Double team. Oh! Nabitawan ang bola. Ball position of Tagbilaran City. Score. 51-45. 7 seconds remaining.
7 seconds.
This could be the last possession for the first half, QA.
Nice pass to number 14. 14. Nice
5
pick from
seconds.
attempt. Not good. Agawan na rebound. Nako na Mr. number 17. Time for the second quarter, mga higala. 51-45.